Hello guys, welcome back on a technology welfare. I'm Helen Kuslas to tell you in this tutorial how to downgrade iOS from 18 to 16, 17 hours according to your unutilization you can have. As we know that when we try to bypass any iCloud activation lock links from any Apple device, then of course with the help of jailbreak, if we would like to bypass, then this is very important that downgrade iOS is required inside the iPhone's device. So yeah, or sometimes due to bug or beta version iOS 18, if you would like to switch to iOS 17 or iOS 16, how do you without doing jailbreak spontaneously without losing any data? This can be possible, but firstly we will check it out manually that is it possible or not by tapping on setting in your iPhone's device. Tap the setting 2, we will have to become the general 2, of course we will have to go in a software update. So it has started to check it out. Now see, iOS is up to date. We don't have options to a downgrade. If I go in the beta inside, if I on 18 developer beta and public beta is that we don't have options to a back. If I go in the automatic update, we don't have options to a downgrade. In this condition, what you will do, guys, here, yes, we will have to have the bold decisions. Just go for any administration, so that is a 3U tool. Just we will have to connect a spatially data cable and the phone. Yes, your data cable will be connected with this tool. Just click on a smart flash, go for refresh options. Now see guys, we have the options iOS 18 points or 0 beta 5 versions, and as we see this is a iOS 18.04 beta, this is a 17. So if you would like to have just let's for 17.6. So if I click here to a download, now see directly we can import it also after downloading. So how do you access to a download from others website? Not to speak of the other website, from the 3U tool also you can download. So right now see here it has started to a download here, but it's taking a time. But quickly if you would like to have this ones, after downloading directly you can import. Here is the options to import it. But if you don't want to lose any data and thereupon you would like to go for, so retain user data, you will have to select and thereupon go for it. If you would like to lose your data, then of course go for any apps and applications, and any file in the folder won't be especially deleted or removed. Just everything will be the same. Just a selection by this retain user data, all the apps and application will be retained, and thereupon of course this iOS will be updated. So here is quickly within 5 to 10 minutes by the you will be able to get 17.6, and if you have the registered when here 7.6, then you will have an opportunity to a downgrade once again back, that is 16. So right now others website, if sometimes this website or this software is not fetching the proper to a download or giving access to a download easy way, then you will have to go with the running administrations, guys. Just we will download, and thereupon of course we will go for downgrade it. But right now we would like to show you demo because video will be lengthy, that's why we will download and we will do it. But similar strategy you will to act, you will have to execute, guys, here. So here what we will do on it, you will have to write 3U tool and thereupon hit this ones. We will have to come on this official website, guys. We will have the firmware options. Yeah, just what we will do, guys, here, just we will have to select the model number. Suppose this is especially SE3. In SE3 latest, here we have options SE 18.5 beta. Now see here, this we can go for here 70.6, 17.6 RC is also available, guys. So if you the plans to the bypass first, the RC 7.6, 7.5 is also given here. Now see 7.5, 7.5, especially 4.1. So According to round utilization, just to go for, in a case this is not recommending directly, you can import after downloading. So how do you download it? Just I would like to show you a very easy way you can download it. Suppose this one IPSW 17 points or 7.6 we will have to show 7.5 here. We will have options to a download here. Now see 70.5.6 or 70.6, let's say. Just if I click here download and magic, we will see here that it has just started to download. Just it's asking 44 minutes is required, so of course we will wait here. After downloading directly we will import it and we will go for what? We will go for here, we would like to show you, see, after importing, so retain selection and go for flash. It will start to the quickly and you will be back once again as a normal device. It is, here it is. So this is all about in this video tutorial, guys. It's a downloading, so it will take time, 5 to 10 minutes or 20 minutes also. It's totally dependent, and upon similar strategy you need to execute to a downgrade. This is all about in this video tutorial. The furthermore any inquiry, of course, they have the query below the comment box. Pleasure remains to the reply of the query, guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.